Most companies are looking at AI and asking the wrong question. They're asking, can AI replace my salespeople? The companies getting the best results from AI are asking a completely different question. Can AI help my salespeople sell more? And that difference is having a huge impact on the results they're getting. I was recently working with a company that discovered they were only one introduction away from several opportunities they didn't even know existed. The relationships were already there. The network was already there. They just couldn't see it. And that's one of the reasons I think many companies are approaching AI in the wrong way. They're focused on replacement. I'm focused on effectiveness because the organizations getting the greatest return from AI aren't using it to replace salespeople. They're using it to help their salespeople become more productive, better prepared, and more effective. Let me give you a few examples. One of the biggest misconceptions I hear is that AI's primary value is helping salespeople write emails faster. And while it can certainly do that, that's not where I'm spending most of my time helping clients. What I'm recommending is that organizations use AI much earlier in the sales process, before the first conversation ever happens. Think about how much time salespeople spend researching companies, identifying decision makers, gathering information, preparing for meetings, and trying to understand a prospect's business before they ever pick up the phone. Those activities are important, but they're also time-consuming. When AI is used properly, it can help salespeople identify opportunities faster, prepare more effectively, and walk into conversations with a much better understanding of the customers and their business. The outcome isn't fewer salespeople, the outcome is better prepared salespeople. And that's a very different result. If you're exploring this area, there are AI tools designed specifically for research, account intelligence, and prospect preparation that can dramatically reduce the time your team spends gathering information before a meeting. Another area where I'm spending a lot of time helping clients is reducing the amount of administrative work their salespeople are doing. If you've ever led a sales organization, you know that salespeople don't lose most of their time during the customer meetings. They lose it after the meeting is over. Notes need to be written. CRM records need to be updated. Follow-up activities need to be documented. Action items need to be tracked. None of those activities generate revenue today, but always lead to future revenue. Hence, proper documentation is critical. But they consume a surprising amount of time every week, and most reps do it poorly or don't do it at all. One of the opportunities AI creates is helping salespeople reduce that administrative burden. Conversations can be summarized, action items can be captured, and routine administrative tasks can be streamlined and directly imported into the CRM. Again, the goal isn't to replace the salesperson. The goal is to help them spend more time doing the things that actually drive revenue, building relationships, solving problems, and creating opportunities. There are also AI tools that can transcribe meetings, summarize conversations, capture action items, and support CRM updates. These are often some of the easiest tools for organizations to adopt because the value is visible almost immediately. By the way, if you're looking at AI and trying to determine where it fits inside your sales organization, there's a link in the description where you can book a conversation with me. I'd be happy to go through my free AI audit and process tool to help you get the ball started. The third area is the one I think most companies completely overlook. Most people think AI is primarily about automation. I think one of its biggest strengths is visibility. Visibility into customer conversations, visibility into coaching opportunities, and visibility into relationships and opportunities that already exist inside your network. This brings me back to the example I mentioned earlier. One of the organizations I worked with used AI to better understand the relationships already existing within their network. What they discovered was that they were much closer to several opportunities than they realized. People inside the organization already knew people connected to those opportunities. Introductions were available, relationships existed, but nobody could see the connections clearly. AI helped surface those relationships and identify opportunities that otherwise might have been missed. The same thing can happen inside your sales process. One of the things I often recommend to clients is using AI to help identify patterns in customer conversations, uncover coaching opportunities, and provides sales leaders with better visibility into what's actually happening across the team. Because the reality is that managers can't listen to every conversation. They can't review every interaction, but they still need visibility into where their people are succeeding and where they need support. That's where AI can become a valuable tool. There are also AI platforms that focus on relationship mapping, conversation intelligence, and sales coaching. These tools can help leaders identify patterns, uncover coaching opportunities, and gain visibility into what's happening across the sales organization. When you look across all three of these areas, you'll notice something important. None of them replace salespeople, but they do help salespeople become even more effective. They help them be prepared. They help them spend less time on administrative work. They help them uncover opportunities they might otherwise miss, and they allow them to focus more of their time and energy on what matters most: building trust, creating relationships, solving problems, and helping customers make good decisions. That's where I see the biggest opportunity for AI in sales today. Not replacing people, but helping good salespeople become even better. So if you're evaluating AI inside your organization, I'd encourage you to stop asking whether AI can replace your sales team. Instead, ask a much better question. Can AI help my sales team sell more? Because the organizations asking that question are the ones getting the greatest return from their investment. And if you're concerned about how AI is being used inside your organization, make sure you watch this video next. In it, I talk about one of the biggest risks companies are facing right now when it comes to AI adoption and why every sales organization should have a clear policy around how these tools are being used.